Marketing is a dynamic sector in which adopting new technology is critical if you want to reach consumers. Despite this, email marketing remains one of the most successful methods of nurturing prospects. Moosend is an outstanding all-in-one email marketing automation software with world-class features, cutting-edge automation processes, and lead generation tools that help you develop your business from day one. Its extensive feature set, easy integrations, automation capabilities, and responsive customer service have made it a go-to option for businesses of all kinds looking to streamline and improve their email marketing activities. Moosend is known for being a budget-friendly solution for sending regular and personalized email and newsletters to targeted audiences. Pricing starts at just $9 per month, making it an appealing option for enterprises of all sizes. Watch this video to the end, and you will discover the promised benefits and how to effectively use this email marketing tool to increase your customer management and conversion rate without much hassle. Kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button as we continue with this Moosend review. Also, make sure to check the description below for the best price, discounts, free tools, and free trial packages on Moosend. What does Moosend really do? Moosend is a cloud-based marketing automation software designed to help businesses manage subscriber lists, customer segmentation, product recommendations, landing pages, and subscription forms. Its key features include lead management, campaign management, multi-channel marketing, website visitor tracking, lead scoring, contact management, and spam checking. Moosend helps in producing reports on upselling and cross-selling, abandoned carts, replenishment, and other analytics that aid decision-making and improve sales effectiveness. It offers an API that facilitates integration with plugins such as Zapier, Integromat, MailChimp, Magento, WooCommerce, Drupal, Google Contacts, Unbounce, and more. Moosend allows teams to create and personalize campaigns, segment audiences based on website or email behavior, and build business strategies according to analytics gathered by tracking clicks, opens, social shares, and unsubscribes. Users can create automated workflows by using the drag-and-drop builder and customizable templates. Additionally, Moosend lets you set up events, filters, and actions that will act as triggers for automating various workflows. The pay-as-you-go credit options are also available if you don't engage in email marketing that often. If that isn't enough, Moosend also helps you to monitor and solve unforeseen problems. This feature is unusual in email marketing solutions. Benefits and key features of Moosend. 1. Moosend Email Builder. The inbuilt email builder of Moosend offers you around 100 email templates for almost every industry. With Moosend, you can easily customize your emails for more conversions and better sales. 2. Email Automation. Moosend offers flexible automation options backed up by an excellent workflow editor. It allows you to automate follow-up campaigns, edit multiple conditions, and much more. This is all done via an easy-to-use flowchart-style automation builder. 3. Email List Management. Moosend's email list tool is where you store and manage all of the data for your subscribers that you target in your email campaigns. To create your first list, either click Create an Email List in the Quick Start checklist or select Audience, and then email lists from the top navigation bar. 4. Moosend Newsletter Editor. With Moosend's drag-and-drop editor, you can add images, videos, and all kinds of interactive elements to your newsletters without having to write any code. The newsletter editor can integrate with Google Drive, Facebook, Dropbox, Instagram, stock photos, and Giphy. Moreover, you can also add buyable products to your newsletters, letting potential customers buy with the click of a button. 5. Subscription forms that increase conversions. Moosend's visually appealing subscription forms and landing pages make it easy to attract and engage subscribers. This enhances the overall effectiveness of email campaigns, leading to better conversions. 6. Moosend A/B Testing. A/B testing is an excellent way to identify and optimize the best performing email for your campaign. Moosend allows you to generate several copies of your email, optimize your subject line, and send it to a specific segment of your mailing list. 7. Moosend Spam Checkers. Moosend ensures maximum deliverability by making sure all your emails reach your subscribers' inboxes instead of spam folders. This will increase lead generation and conversions. 8. Moosend integration. Moosend also integrates with other platforms such as Salesforce, Drupal, Convertful, Magento, WooCommerce, WordPress, VerifyBee, PrestaShop, and OpenCart. You can also add other form types to your WordPress site, such as pop-ups or slide-in forms. 9. Moosend Artificial Intelligence, AI, e-commerce. Moosend Artificial Intelligence, AI, automatically performs all your e-commerce tasks for you by building segments that support targeted marketing campaigns and finding what you need on the spot. It recommends your products only to customers who are likely to buy them. 10. In-depth reporting and analysis. Moosend helps track business development and generate ideas for email marketing campaigns. By having access to comprehensive data, you will be able to make informed decisions and optimize your strategies for better results. Moosend pricing and plans. Moosend offers 3 plan options, which include the free trial plan, the Pro plan, and the Enterprise plan. The free trial plan requires no credit card. You are limited to a maximum of 1,000 subscribers, 1 automation workflow, 1 landing page, and 1 form. The customer support in their free plan is only available 5 days a week and does not include phone or priority support. Also, its third-party integrations and pre-designed templates are limited. The Pro plan starts at $9 per month and includes an unlimited number of subscribers, landing pages, forms, and automations, as well as access to the SMTP service per transactional emails. Prices increase based on the number of subscribers on your list. The Enterprise plan comes with everything in Pro plus a dedicated account manager, priority support, SSO and SANO, a dedicated IP address, and more. Those interested in this plan will need to contact Moosend for a quote. You also have the option of just paying for credits at a cost of $1 per 1,000 credits. You can only purchase credits in bundles, and the lowest bundle is 350,000 email credits for just $350. If you purchase credits rather than a plan, there are no limits on your subscribers and you get full access to all features. Pros: easy to use email builder and automation, drag and drop newsletter editor, list management and segmentation, website tracking and integrations, personalization and lead generation tools, analytics and reporting. Cons: it's only the paid plan and credits that offer unlimited subscribers and phone support. Moosend customer support. Moosend customer support is highly responsive and reportedly excellent. You won't experience robots, automated responses, or lengthy delays. Instead, you get support from real humans via email, a help desk, a 24/7 life rep, online chat, and an extensive knowledge base. Conclusion: Moosend is a versatile email marketing platform with industry-leading capabilities, cutting-edge marketing automations, and a distinguished user interface. It allows you to manage various email campaigns and mailing lists, as well as design and distribute eye-catching, responsive newsletters using the built-in campaign editor. Moosend is an email marketing platform that automates your email campaigns to help you reach more potential customers. Moreover, its features extend beyond just email automation software. Moosend has become an essential tool for email marketing teams and demand generation departments. Users have found that the seamless WordPress integration and user-friendly plugin make it easy to add subscription forms and start RSS campaigns, saving time and effort. You can check the link in the description below to sign up for free trials and get access to premium tools that will help improve your experience with Moosend. If you enjoyed this Moosend review, kindly like this video, leave a comment, share with friends, and also ensure to hit the subscribe button for future reviews.